Today we will cover sorting, filtering, and insertion of a slicer. The data required for this is here. Employee number 10012, employee number 050. Names are there, departments are there, location. Now, some of these are not seen fully. To make it fully visible, what you have to do is select this, double click on anywhere between the column boundaries. If you want to put a border, you can put an outside border or a thick border. Put all borders. Now here I want a little more space. Only select this column and make it here. Now the sales will be in currency. So in India it is. So select this entire thing, entire column you can select. Right click, format cells, number, and it is currency and accounting can be taken. I'll take accounting so that rupees, all the rupee symbol come in one line. Now it is coming hash hash because the space is not enough. I can increase the space. Come. Now at the same time I do not want any. So I can select this one, click, format cells, decimals I want it to be 0. So that takes care of that. Now let us find out how to do sorting this data. So be in a cell, then go to data, sort. It will ask me what is that I want to sort. So it says my data has got headers. Yes, my data has got headings. If it is not there, you can just put it there. So in that case, you will take the employee ID also to place name, etc. Will take it as one of the data entries. No, here is a heading. Now first let me sort it out in the name in the order of names. So I want it to be sorted in names A to Z. So you can see all the double A's are come first and single A's next, etc. After that, my close to Z will be the last. If I want different sortings, I can say data sort. I want it to be in the names of departments. So that so finance will come first, HR will come next, etc. Sort in the reverse order. Then you have to do sorting department instead of A to Z, make it Z to A. The S will come first. So that is one level of sorting. Now let us take two levels of sorting. So let us say sort. First, I want in the order of the department. I want in the order of location, A to Z. Then add one level. I want within the location, I want it to be in the order of departments, A to Z. Then within the department, I want another level. I want it in the order of sales, smallest to largest. Let us see how it comes. So, first Bangalore. In Bangalore, the Bangalore finance come first, Bangalore HR has come next, marketing are next, operations come next. Within the finance, lowest tier, next. HR only one person is there. In operations, lowest tier, next one. So this is how the multiple levels are taken care of in sorting. Now, if we want different order, I can suppose I want sales to come up on top of this. Now the sorting will be first location, then sales. Within the sales, which department it comes. So Bangalore lowest is 1864. That person belongs to marketing. Bangalore highest is 3000, 4225. That person belongs to sales. So that is how you change the order. Next is filter. So I'll finish. Next, let us say filter. So be in the cell anywhere in the database. Say data filter. You'll find a small little triangle here. Now you want to find out all the people whose name. So first of all, remove this one. Then the text filters. So equal can be used, but doesn't make sense here in this case. Suppose I want to know all the people whose name is Isha, contains Isha. Let's see, there are multiple Ishas here. So they come. You want to find out clear filter name, so all of them will come. Now I want all the people with the contain something, some common thing, let us say Rao, let us say contains Rao. Next filters, contains, begins with can be taken. So if I say I want to begin with A, so all the A people will come. Everybody starts with A. So you can use multiples of these things in clear, first clear filter name, then everybody comes here. So text filter can be equals, does not equal, begins with, ends with, contains, does not contain, and any other combination that you might want to have. Let us filter it on finance. So I want only finance people to come here. If I want only HR people to come and no finance, I can put this way. If I want multiple departments, I want IT and operations and sales. They have to come. Then I can get this one. So this is how we can get filter done. And let me clear by saying select all. Similarly, Bangalore. Suppose I want only Bangalore to come. That is there. If I want only Mumbai to come, remove Bangalore from there. If I want multiple cities, I want this one also, this one also, and not this one, but I want this one. Get this one. So multiple selections are possible. They are all. How do you know that it is there? Because when the funnel is there, it means something is operating there. So now I say select all. Now here in the text filter, I can say give me only those people, number of filters greater than say 2000. I get this. Suppose I say I want only number sales uh, greater than equal to between 1000 and 3000. Get only those figures between 2000 and 3000. Now the filter funnel symbol is there, so it means the filter operation there. Now this can also be done by inserting something known as a slicer. So for that, first I'd convert this data into a table. So make it control T. It's asking where is the data A1 T51. Yes, of course. And I put okay. Now when the data is selected, then I can go to insert. I can change the design also if you want. You can change the design. You can make it this way. Our color combinations, like multiple combinations are there. Let's keep it. Then I say insert. Then a slicer. There are multiple slicers. There's no point in having a name slicer, but you can have a department slicer. You can have a location slicer. Sales also can amount. There's no point in having it. So let us have these two slicers. Slicers will come like this. By default, they'll come in one column. I want this to be in rows. So I can have an option. So there is an option here. It says column one. No, I want in 6 columns. It comes in 6 columns, but I'm not able to see what is there in this column because the width is not enough. So I have to increase the width. It comes like this. It won't because operation is big word. If I do not want into one row, I can increase one column. So I can say options. Let me it be in two. Then I'd increase right here in two. So I can have this way. I can have it in three. No, this is called four. So three would come. So reduce this. Not required. Same thing can be done for location also. This one also I can make. I can make options, column. How many are there? 5 are there. So column 5 columns. 6 are there, I think. Columns. One more. Increase. And even this also can be designed in a way I want it. And design it. Select this one. Go to then design various color combinations. I'll remove the filter from here. Or also can be changed. Let me change it to blue, green, whatever. Now what happens? Suppose I click on finance. Only the finance people will come here. If I click on HR, only HR will come here. Only IT will come here. Marketing will come here. Operations will come here. Sales will come here. Suppose I want two of them, finance and sales. The control pressed. Finance and sales people will come there. In addition to that, I want only finance sales people from Chennai. This one I do. Because I want finance sales people and Bangalore people. So finance and sales people from Bangalore because I've chosen finance, sales, and Bangalore. Now, finance sales people from Chennai and sales is already selected. Now, suppose I say I want HR from Hyderabad. One person is there. I remove all of them and see whether it is really true or not. Let us say HR Hyderabad. One person, Ara Verma is there. So you can play around and we don't want any filter. Remove this one. Remove this one. You will get all things. Same thing as whatever you are doing with filter can be obtained by slicer. That's all about three of these things which are part of your examination. Practice using this data. I'm in any case sending this data. Already sent you this data as a assignment 14th August. So use that data or use any other data. What you can do is you can go to ChatGPT and give a command prompt. Give me 50 or 100 rows of data for me to try out sorting and filtering and slicer Excel 2016, and that will give you all the things which are required. Thank you.